Reacting to noise snaps neck tendons. This instinctual jerk is dangerous. When a loud noise occurs, you whip your head toward the sound. This sudden high-velocity rotation is violent. The cold neck muscles cannot stretch fast enough. This leads to a severe tendon snap or muscle tear. You will experience immediate pain and limited movement. This can cause long-term cervical instability. It increases the risk of chronic headaches and nerve pain. To stay safe, turn your entire torso toward a noise. Keep the neck muscles relaxed and move with the core. Practice controlled responses to sudden stimuli. Turn the body. Protect the neck tendons.